Hey folks, Lee Smith, Spouses Buying Houses. Hey, I was doing some editing just a little while ago. I'm trying to do some before and afters on some of the houses that we've redone, just to kind of show you guys what's going on, what we deal with day to day. Anyways, I caught something out of the corner of my eye, and I was like, what the heck was that? So I had to rewind and watch it a couple times, and well, here you go. Here's the goodness that we get day in and day out. Right there, we're working through the kitchen, we're pulling out the drawers. Wait, what was that? What? Wait, what is that? Oh yeah, let's rewind and see it one more time. Ooh, one more time just for the good stuff. Oh yeah, that's right. My guy had no clue how close he was to that bug. That's what we get every day, it seems like. We get all these little things. People leave these houses trashed out, and we get to deal with all the goodness that goes with it. All right, that's it. Fast and easy. Click the subscribe because you get to enjoy that stuff with us. You know, you got to have a sense of humor when you're doing this job. So anyways, I'm going to send it to my guy and let him realize how close he was to the bug.